Hi guys, welcome to BlackXense Graphics. Today we want to create glass effect in Photoshop. So what people call glass morphism, something like this, nicely. So with your image layer selected, right click and duplicate, then right click again and convert to smart object. So now let's go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Then you set the radius to any reasonable amount, something like this. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Then when you are done, you hit OK. So with that layer selected, let's draw a shape, rectangular shape, nicely like this. And position very well. Yes, so hold your Control and Alt and drag. You notice your cursor will change. Let's drag onto the duplicate layer, the duplicate image layer. So right click and select the blending option. Then your layer style panel will open. So let's go to stroke. Then your settings, the stroke size, just follow my settings here. The stroke size should be 3. The position should be set to outside. The blending mode should be set to screen, something like that. Then we go to the shadow. So the shadow, the spread should be around 26. Size should be around any reasonable pixels will work. Yes, and your contour should be set to half round. Yes, half round. So we are done with the shadow. We create a gradient overlay. The blend mode should be normal. The style should be linear. The angle should be 90%, 90 degrees, sorry. And the modify, you must make sure you change the modify to perceptual. So when you are done, you hit OK. I think I would have to adjust the stroke size again. I think by it's fine. So let me see, the opacity to be 30, good. All right. So we have something nicely like this. Now you have to draw, you have to add text. If you like, you can leave it like this, but I prefer to add text. So yeah, any text, something like this. So you align nicely. My text is BlackXense once again. So you align nicely. So we are going to copy the layer style and paste it on the text layer to have the same effect. Then we reduce the fill to 0 so that it will left with the outline, so that we remove the white from the text. Yes, so this one we add bevel and emboss to the text to make it pop a little bit. Yeah, so we have something like this. BlackXense, also looking like the glass effect. Yes, something like this is fine. Please subscribe, share and like.